Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you where the cabin air filter is located on this 2017 Dodge Charger RT. It's pretty simple. Once you pop over your hood, it's going to be located right under this right here. There's two tabs that you have to just push in and lift up to remove the plastic. Once you have that off, then this lid just pops up. So you have one plastic on this side, one on this side. This pops up. Then your air filter simply slides out. At your local auto parts, they could get you the filter that goes in here. And again, it's a quick reference video to locate the cabin air filter on this 2017 Dodge Charger. If you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. Let me know if you want to find any other components or any other issues with this vehicle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.
Alright friends, thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel and see you next time, alright?